How to add other story to my story on Instagram without mention. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of app tutorial. If you are not mentioned in a story and even though you want to add it as your own story on Instagram, let me show you how it's done. Whenever you are mentioned in a story, you would automatically have an option or a button called add to your story. You could easily tap on it and the story would be added. But however, for those stories that you are not added in, the only option to add it to your own story is you need to take a screenshot if it is a picture. So take a screenshot and add this picture as a story by cropping it on your gallery. But however, if it is a video, you'll need to take the help of a third-party website. So for that, open up your web browser and search for storysaver.net. This is a website that lets you download stories. So you can scroll down here and then enter in the name or the username of the account that you want to download the story. Now this would not work if that person's account is private. This only works for those accounts or those users who have a public Instagram. So just type in the username of that account and then tap on download. This way you can view the exact number of stories that this person has added in, and the stories will show up whether they be photo or videos. So you can easily download the videos through this section, and once the video has been downloaded, you can upload the video as your own story. So that is the only way of adding in other story to your own story without the mention. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.